Hola. Hello. Konnichiwa. Welcome to the new speed of commerce, where every business is running a physical store, an online empire, a logistics hub in their warehouse, and a global supply chain, all at the same time.
The critical challenge is that these areas often operate in isolation. The point-of-sale system in the store doesn't talk to the e-commerce platform. The e-commerce platform isn't synced in real time with the warehouse inventory. And managing supplier orders is a completely separate, manual process.
This fragmentation leads to major problems. Selling a product online that is already out of stock, running out of popular items because supplier orders weren't placed on time, and having no single clear view of the business's overall performance.
It's inefficient, prone to error, and hinders growth. We asked, what if we could unite all of these functions into one intelligent, seamless system?
That question is the foundation of this project. An all-in-one smart inventory, resource, POS, e-commerce, and supply management system. Here is our strategy. So how does our system manage to keep the store, the website, and the supply chain perfectly in sync? The answer lies in its modern technical architecture, which you can see right here.
The front end is the user interface. It's what you see and interact with. We have one for the in-store cashiers, one for the online shoppers, and one for managing suppliers.
Each of these front ends needs to talk to the system's brain to get information and process tasks. That's where the next layer comes in.
Exactly. Each front end communicates with its dedicated backend using a REST API. The backend is the powerhouse. It handles all the complex business logic. The REST API acts as a secure and efficient messenger, allowing the front end to send requests.
This modular design is fantastic, but the real key to our unified system is that final component on the right. This is where the integration happens.
This is the core of our entire ecosystem, a single shared database. It is the single source of truth for the entire business.
For instant scanning, our system uses a WebSocket server. This maintains a live connection, pushing data directly from the scanner to the POS screen in real time. The result is zero lag and a perfectly seamless checkout.
For real-time alerts, our system uses server-sent events, or SSE. This technology allows our backend to instantly push critical notifications, like low stock warnings, directly to the user's screen. This ensures you see important information the moment it happens, without ever needing to refresh the page.
All right, let's move on to the demonstration part.
First, let's place an order on our e-commerce platform from a customer's point of view. To do that, we need to log in. Simply click Log In and choose My Google account, just like this. If you are logging in for the first time, you will also be asked for your mobile number and address. Now, let's add a few items to our cart. You can easily adjust the quantity later during checkout. When you're ready, you'll enter your card details and pay securely through our Stripe integration. Afterwards, you can track your order status and review all the details. We also included a helpful feature. If you have a previous order that wasn't paid for, there's no need to worry. You can easily complete that payment from here. Now, let's explore the operational side of our system. For operations, we have owners, managers, and staff members. Owners are added manually to the database. Then, owners can add branches and assign managers to those respective branches. Branch managers can then add staff members to their branch. Each role has different responsibilities. First, we will log in as an owner with our credentials. An owner can add branches by filling out this form. They can also assign branch managers from here. Additionally, the owner can view all member details, reports, and analytics. Due to time constraints, I won't go through every report, but let's explore some of them. Next, let's switch roles and log in as a branch manager for Branch 2. The first thing you'll see is the inventory dashboard, which is automatically filtered to show only the stock for this location. The manager can easily add new categories and products. When it's time to restock, they can contact suppliers directly through the system. On the Orders page, they can see a complete history of orders for their branch, view details, and even download a CSV file for their records. The manager also controls their team from the Staff page, where they can add new members, edit their profiles, or remove them. They also have access to powerful, branch-specific reports that can be downloaded as a detailed PDF. Finally, a manager can add and assign resources, like equipment or keys, to specific staff members, as we're demonstrating now. All right, now let's log in as a staff member who was added by the branch manager. Let's go to the inventory, where the staff member can view the stock. Unlike a manager, a staff member cannot change the inventory manually. Next is the sales page, where we can process in-store transactions. We can add items by either searching for them by name or scanning a barcode. Let's look at both. For the barcode scanner, we can simply scan the QR code with our mobile phone. It opens the scanner page and we can scan it, as you can see here. Then we can add a loyalty customer. If their phone number isn't registered, a simple registration form appears. Here, the loyalty points are 0, so they cannot be used. Now, we can add the points from this sale to the customer's loyalty balance. Then we can view and print the invoice. Now let's see our notification service. When an item's remaining stock falls under the low stock threshold, a notification appears, as you can see. The inventory page is also updated. The orders and resources pages are the same as they are for the manager. Now let's move on to the supplier portal. This shows suppliers all available restock requests with their details. A supplier can log in with their credentials. If you do not have an account, please visit the registration page. Once logged in, they can simply accept the order.
And that's a quick tour of our system's core features. To learn even more, feel free to visit our website. Thanks so much for watching.